approximately 3 p.m., December 14, 2020, the Lake County Sheriff's Department Transportation Division was notified that a 22-year-old man accused of murder escaped from a private contracted transport van while being extradited to Lake County from Texas. 22-year-old Leon Taylor of Hammond, Indiana, is described as a black male, 6 feet tall, and about 162 pounds. He has hazel eyes and brown hair. He is wanted on a murder charge for a homicide in East Chicago. An agent from Ready Transport of Green Bay, Wisconsin, was transporting Taylor from Texas when he escaped in the area of 35th and Grant Street in Gary. The agent called Gary police, and the Lake County Sheriff's Department was requested to assist in the search for the suspect. Lake County Sheriff's Department officers responded to the scene along with the Lake County Aviation Unit helicopter and K-9 unit. At the time of escape, Taylor was wearing a belly chain with handcuffs and a leg brace. He was also wearing a gray hoodie with an additional black hoodie underneath, black Puma tennis shoes and black jeans, as shown in an attached photo. He is known to frequent Gary, East Chicago and Hammond, Indiana. All extraditions outside of a radius of approximately 250 miles from the Lake County Jail are handled by the courts. The Lake County Sheriff's Department is then notified of an estimated time of arrival to the Lake County Jail. In this case, the Lake County Sheriff's Department is assisting because the escape occurred in Lake County and the suspect was being transported to the Lake County Jail. At this time, the search for Taylor is ongoing. Anyone with information on Taylor's whereabouts is asked to call 911.